Good day everybody, and today we're going to be cloning this beautiful variety of oregano. This variety is from the island of Kefalonia, from Greece. It is a beautiful variety. It grows vigorous and bushy, as where most other varieties grow flat on the ground like a mat. This one makes it easy and viable for commercial production. It's got a beautiful, rich, spicy smell, and it is frost resistant, drought resistant, and just a beautiful all-round variety. We're going to be taking clippings. So here we are taking clippings and cuttings for the cloning. We've got Budgie here. So how's it to everybody, Budge?
Hello guys, how are you doing? We're taking the cuttings for the Oregano here. We're selecting the fresh ones, which are a little bit stronger, even which can catch much easily. We'll select a nice few nice ones, then we can plunge them to make nice buttons.
After we finish clipping, we put them in a bucket of water so that we can hold their value and their strength while we're planting, so they don't dry out. We've prepared our beds over here with a nice cocoa peat medium, and we've wet the beds thoroughly, and the beds are underneath these hydroponic mint systems where the sun won't hit them directly, and they'll have a good environment in order for them to catch nicely and spread. Alright, once we've finished clipping a few of the clippings from the main mother plants, we get them ready for the cloning.
So yes, I'm taking off the ends so that we can push them easy to the ground. As you see, I'm removing the ends so that we can push them easily, and then we continue to push them like into the ground where we will plant them. Then they will pick up from this bed.
And we plant them about 3 to 4 centimeters apart from each other, and they're going to start catching within the next 3 to 4 weeks. All start rooting from these stems, and we're going to create one big mat of oregano in this new bed, where we can then either transplant it or keep it growing over here, depending on what works best. We've never grown underneath the hydroponic systems before. We have used them for cloning, but we've never continued to grow the oregano here. But if it starts growing well and it catches vigorously here, we will leave this as its resting place to grow continuously. Well, thank you guys for tuning into this channel. We really appreciate the follow, and we really love making these videos and sharing all of our knowledge with you guys back at home, and putting out the best of our knowledge so that you can take it back onto your farm or into your garden space to have the success that we're having at the moment. We really appreciate a follow, a like, a share, a subscribe, and feel free to engage with us anytime. We answer all questions, and we'll be happy to guide you on any questions that you have to ask us. Thank you so much for following our channel. That's it from us today, and we'll see you next time.
Okay, thanks so much guys. Thanks for following us. Otherwise, have a wonderful journey. Follow us. Thanks guys. Sure.